the minimum wage?
I think this is the evidence of the good work that is done by the police, as led by the Project Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, and also Department of Labour and Home Affairs, to embark on an operation to curb this thing of the undocumented foreign nationals that are all over in businesses that are employed, which is quite very unfortunate. And I want to believe that what they do now is going to ensure that even those who want to come into our country illegally, they will fear that the police don't go to KwaZulu-Natal. They know that going to KwaZulu-Natal, the police will catch you, even though the owners of the businesses will know that they will get arrested, because after this, the owner must face the consequences. And as the government of KwaZulu-Natal, provincial government, we are quite happy with what the police are doing, with what the Department of Labour and the Department of Home Affairs are actually doing here. We are going to embark on more operations because we have information. We know where else there is information that there could be people who are here illegally.
Are there talks about possibly deporting these undocumented foreign nationals?
Yes, they are deported. Even on the previous operations, I even spoke to the National Minister of Home Affairs, indicating that they have even procured buses to ensure that they deport them. They are deporting them because that was the frustration I got from the side of the police, that now their accommodation has become too crowded now. Fortunately, I spoke to the minister. I have no information which suggests that there's still a problem about that now. I'm hopeful that even those who were arrested today, when they have been processed by Home Affairs and discovered it to be here undocumented, then they will have to be processed.
Thank you very much.